About this in that interview with the Prof, the second batch of 80,000 doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine touched down today at OR Tambo International Airport. South African Airways flew to Brussels in Belgium to collect the vaccine. This will form part of that rapid rollout plan, which for now is only for healthcare workers. Heidi Giokos was at the airport and filed this report.
The second batch of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is in the country. This means that more healthcare workers can get the jab. The first phase of South Africa's vaccine rollout focuses primarily on healthcare workers, with the aim to inoculate 1.1 million by the end of March. An SAA aircraft flew 5 pallets of the vaccine in its belly, which will now be taken to a secure facility. It will then move to the various vaccination centres for the continued rollout. Questions have also been raised about why we are getting the vaccine in batches, given we have ordered 9 million from Johnson & Johnson. But because the vaccine has been brought into the country for trial purposes, it can't be used for a wider rollout for now.
The 500,000 vaccines that we're getting at the moment for research doesn't come from the 9 million that we ordered. It is research stock that J&J is allocating to South Africa, and we're getting that research stock for free.
The national carrier hasn't been operating at full capacity due to a number of reasons, but the Public Enterprises Department says this is an opportunity for the airline to get back on its feet. The cabin crew says this was a great opportunity to serve the country during the pandemic.
For us coming back to flying on this mission, it was very important for us representing the people of South Africa to go fetch these vaccines. And there's a lot of work that has been done. This was the culmination of the work that was done by many people, starting firstly from the government of South Africa that's been fighting this pandemic for a long time, and then as well as the different government departments, Department of Health, the DPE, and as well as all the people at South African Airways. And you can see us, but we're not the only people that are involved in this mission.
The next vaccine batch is expected in the next 2 weeks. 2 more vaccination centres have also been identified in Gauteng. Together with Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital and Steve Biko Academic Hospital, Charlotte Maxeke and George Mukari will now also be centres. The Health Minister says vaccination sites will increase as we get more vaccines into the country. Heidi Giokos, Johannesburg.